Hi all, welcome to Jamso Art Class. Today we are going to learn how to make a fly. F-L-Y, fly. To make a fly, we need to make two circles. Join the circle with a line and now make fly's head. And then make his body. Now we will make two wings, oval shape. And now two antennas over the head, two legs from both the side. And now we are going to make some patterns over the wings. Now we are going to draw eyes. And now our fly is ready. Okay guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.